Still people are joining. Voice is clear?
Yes.
Saidur Rahman? Saidur Rahman? Ishaq?
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Morning. Yesterday you were absent.
Yes, sir. Sorry, I forgot.
You forgot. You
Yes, sir. I
blundered.
was studying probability only. I forgot about the class.
Saidur Rahman? He's moving here and there. Today also some people have so far we have discussed the complex number. A complex number is a position vector of a point A, comma B.
Direction of this vector is called argument.
So like vector, it has the property that it has magnitude and direction. The magnitude of the complex number is A square plus B square. This is Z, A, comma B. Basically, Z, the complex number Z is this vector, position vector of the point A, comma B. So the magnitude will be this much length, that is root of A square plus B square. And the argument is theta. In place of direction, we use argument. The principal argument, theta should belong to minus pi to pi. And for different cases, we have discussed theta is tan inverse B by A,
Pi plus tan inverse B by
pi
minus
plus tan
pi
inverse
plus
B by
tan.
A, and minus pi plus tan inverse B by A. For different position of the point, the principal argument is different. Okay. Still, some people have not joined. I think they're waiting for Furqad Ahmed. Furqad Ahmed. What's his name? Furqad Ahmed. Arshad Ali,
Yes, sir.
where you are joining now?
No, sir, I was already here.
You were joined earlier.
Yes, sir.
Mohammed Abid, okay. So any complex number Z, and one more thing we have discussed, e to the power I theta is called is cos theta plus I sin theta. This is called Euler's formula. You need to remember the name. And I told you the proof why this equal to this. If you expand it, the real part will be equal to expansion of cos theta. Imaginary part of this will be equal to expansion of
I signed it.
sin theta, not I sin theta. When I say imaginary part means only B. Imaginary part
Yes.
means imaginary part means only
B.
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 If you equate the real part of this and cos theta, they will be equal. Expansion of cos theta. And imaginary part of e to the power I theta will be equal to expansion of sin theta. And I gave you Maclaurin series.
Yes, sir. F0 plus F dash 0.
Yes. It's a very important series. We can expand any function with the help of that. And except e to the power x, all the expansions are valid only for mod x less than 1. And e to the power x, that expansion is valid for all x. Now, polar form this is called polar form of the complex number Z. The reason is, if you construct the triangle, this part will be r cos theta,
R sine theta.
A will be r cos theta, B will be r sin theta. Okay. So any complex number Z is given in this form. After finding magnitude, r is magnitude of Z, theta is argument of Z. Any complex number as Z can be written in this form, where mod Z equal to r, theta equal to argument of Z. Okay. Theta is argument of Z. Furqad Ahmed. Is not responding. Okay. So yesterday we have discussed these things. So if any complex number is given, we can find its polar form. Okay. So let's take one example. Suppose write it in polar form. Suppose Z is -1 plus root 3i. Okay. What is mode of Z? 1 square minus 1 whole square plus root 3 whole square equals 2. R is 2 mod z. Argument is theta equal to tan inverse
minus 1 by root 3.
tan inverse root 3 by minus 1 b by a. Tan
Yes, sir.
inverse b
Yes,
by
sir.
a. Now this is in which quadrant? Second quadrant. So we have to add here how much? 5. We have to add 5. The complex number will be in second quadrant, and this angle will give us in the range of minus pi by 2
by
minus
3.
minus pi by 2 to 0. We have to add
Yes,
5. I told you region clearly. Who are joining now? Can you identify who are joining now? Saidur Rahman.
Yes, sir.
You are responding now. I am calling you for the last 10 minutes.
Sir, I was not here since then. I just came. Sorry, sir.
Yesterday you were absent.
Yes, sir. I got confused in the timing, sir. I took the notes, sir, and I wrote that.
If the message is in the group, then how can you forget about the class?
No, sir. I actually didn't see WhatsApp.
Where is Furqad Ahmad? Furqad Ahmad. He is not responding.
Hello.
Hello, yes.
Can you?
Furqad,
Yes, sir.
you joined just now before 5 minutes.
No, sir. I joined earlier only, but there was net problem, so I got disconnected.
But who are joining now? I think 6-7 members are joining now. Okay, no issue. Tan inverse minus root 3, so theta will be pi minus pi by 3. That is
2 pi by 3.
2 pi by 3. So z can be written as 2 into e to the power I pi by 3. Okay. Now if you simplify it, you will get the same complex number. You can verify. So this is the polar form. Here for a complex number, 2 parameters, A and B, real part, imaginary part. Here also we have 2 parameters. One is magnitude, other is argument. So if you expand it, you will get 2 into cos pi by 3, 1 by 2. Is it? It is 2 pi by 3, na? 2 pi I by 3. Cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. Don't write this, just I'm verifying. Cos 2 pi by 3 is how much? Minus 1 by 2? Minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 I by 2.
Yes.
Minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 I sin 2 pi by 3 is sin pi by 3 root 3 I by 2. Correct. So this equals minus 1 plus root 3 I. Same number?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we can write any complex number in this polar form. So write it. I'm giving you some questions based on this. Shall I abbreviate?
Yes, sir. Done.
Write the following complex number in polar form. Is equal to I minus 1 cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. Second one, 1 plus 7i by 2 minus I whole square.
So first one is root 2 e power 5 pi by
Root 2 into e to the power
5 pi by 12.
I pi by 12.
Pi by 12. I into 5 pi by 12.
I into 5 pi by 12. Yes. 2 to the other one. is root 2 into e to the power I 5 pi by 12. First one is correct. Do the second one, third one.
So root 2 e power 3 pi by 4.
Sai, you're muted.
Again, it is in second quadrant. So pi plus 10 inverse minus 1 to 3 pi by 4. So Z1 equal to root 2 into e to the power 3 pi I by 4. And denominator part, Z equal to root 2 into e to the power 3 pi I by 4 divided by e to the power I pi by 4. E to the power I pi by 3. Okay. Derivative part is directly in polar form. E to the power I pi by 3 cos theta plus I sin theta. So we can simplify it, root 2 into e to the power I times of 3 pi by 4
Minus pi by 3.
minus pi by 3. That is 12, 9 minus 4, 5 pi. Root 2 into e to the power 5 pi I by 12. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Z is a complex number whose magnitude is root 2. Argument is 5 pi by 12. Now, let us see second one. This equals 1 plus 7i by 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 4i. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
4 plus I square is minus 1 minus 4i. Now I am writing directly. This is magnitude is 5 root 2. 1 square plus 7 square root 50, 5 root 2 into e to the power
Sir, we can multiply the conjugate of the
multiply by
denominator.
conjugate, that is there. I am, but here that will be easy. Otherwise, we have to use tan inverse A minus tan inverse B. No. So better we can let us multiply with conjugate. 3 plus 4i by
9 plus 4.
equals e square 9, 13.
Yes, sir.
Here it will be 3 minus 28 minus 25. 3 minus 28 plus 25 plus 21 plus 4 plus 25 by
Sir, denominator will be 25.
Yes, sir. Denominator 25.
Right. 9 plus 16. So that is minus 1 plus I. Root 2 times of e to the power. 5 plus tan inverse minus 1. 3 pi by 4. Okay. Pi plus tan inverse minus 1. Pi minus pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. So magnitude is root 2. Argument is 3 pi by 4. Here, what is the answer?
So third one, x equal to 4k.
4k. K is integer.
Yes, sir.
K is integer. So here directly you can write root 2 into e to the power I pi by 4 by root 2 into e to the power minus I pi by 4. Okay. Argument of this is tan inverse 1 pi by 4. This is in fourth quadrant. Tan inverse minus 1 minus pi by 4 to the power x. So e to the power I pi by 2 to the power x equal to 1. So cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Means this is simply I. Within the bracket, the quantity is simply I. I to the power x equal to 1. Cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. So I to the power x is 1. It means x is 4k. K belongs to I. Even x can be negative integer also. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I didn't get the last step, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
one?
I have x equal to 4k.
This is I to the power x.
Yes, sir. That
I see, we have seen that square root of -1 is I. -1 is I square. Minus I is I cube. And if you multiply by
I power 4 equal to 1.
I, 1 equal to I to the power 4. So if I to the power any integral multiple of 4, it will be 1. I to the power 4, I to the power 8, I to the power 12, these all will be 1.
1. So x equal to 4.
So x equal to 4k.
4. Understood.
Good, sir.
Hmm. Hmm. One small result. For z equal to r into e to the power I theta. So what will be z conjugate? R into e to the power minus I theta. Just replace theta by minus theta. The reason is, what is z? R cos theta plus I r sin theta. This is imaginary part, real part. What will be z conjugate? R cos theta minus I r sin theta. That is r into cos minus theta plus I sin of sin minus theta. Can I write it? That is r into e to the power I times of minus theta. Okay. If z is r into e to the power I theta, then z conjugate will be r into e to the power minus I theta. Just replace theta by c. Z is r into e to the power I theta means z is r cos theta plus I r sin theta. So z conjugate will be, just replace, just change the sign before I. Now cos minus theta is cos theta, sin minus theta is minus sin theta. So here angle is, argument is minus theta. Argument is minus theta.
Theta.
So what is z conjugate? R into e to the power minus I theta. So z into z conjugate is how much? If you multiply r square, that equals mod z whole square. Can I say it? Z into
Yes,
z
sir.
z into z conjugate is mod z
Square.
square. Okay. Number 2. Suppose z1 is r1 e to the power I theta 1, and z2 is r2 into e to the power I theta 2. Consider z1 and z2. r1, r2 e to the power I times of theta 1 plus theta 2. So this is a complex number. Z1, Z2 is a complex number whose magnitude is
R1,
into
R2.
R2. R1 into R2. Where
Yes,
R1
sir.
and R2 magnitude of this, and whose argument is theta 1 plus theta 2.
Theta 2.
So first bit, mod of Z1, Z2 equals mod Z1 into mod Z2. R1 into R2 magnitude. It means magnitude of Z1, Z2. Mod of Z1, Z2 means
Magnitude of
Magnitude of Z1, Z2. Now, second bit, argument of Z1, Z2 equals argument of Z1 plus argument of Z2. Can I say it?
Yes, sir.
Theta 1 plus theta 2. Argument of this complex number is theta 1 plus
Theta 2.
theta 2. Third one, same. Z1 is this, Z2 is this. R2 into e to the power I theta 2, Z1 by Z2. R1 by R2 e to the power I times of theta 1 minus theta 2. Okay. So this is a complex number whose magnitude is this. Argument is theta 1 minus theta 2. Mode of Z1 Z2 equal to Z1 by Z2 is a complex number whose magnitude is mode Z1 by
Mod Z2.
Z2. And argument of Z1 by Z2. Z1 by
Theta
Z2 is a
1
complex number. Argument of Z1 minus argument of Z2.
Yes.
Here, suppose we have three complex numbers Z1, Z2, Z3.
Theta 1 plus theta 2 plus
Down
theta.
for theta 3, like that. Here, whenever we find magnitude and argument, R is real, coefficient of I is real. Coefficient of I is
Real.
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 Shall I elaborate?
1 minute. Done.
Okay. Hmm. Z equal to R into e to the power I theta. Then find magnitude and argument e to the power ij. Find magnitude and argument of e to the power ij.
So magnitude is e power minus sine theta and argument is cos theta.
See, if we have any complex number e to the power I theta, where theta is real, only then theta is argument and magnitude of this complex number is 1. Any complex number of this form e to the power I theta, magnitude is always 1. If cos theta plus I sin theta, r into e to the power I theta, r is how much? 1. The magnitude of this complex number is 1 when theta is real. Here z is not real, z is a complex number. So e to the power I z cos theta, z is r cos theta plus I r sin theta. Put the value of z. So e to the power minus r sin theta plus I r cos theta. I r cos theta. Now this is A, this is B. I can write it e to the power minus r sin theta into e to the power I r cos theta. This is real, positive real. Is also real. Now this is in the form of capital R into e to the power I times of some big theta. Can I say it?
Yes, sir.
What is R? Magnitude of this complex number? R is how much?
E power minus or sin.
E to the power minus R sin theta. And argument is
R cos theta.
R cos theta. Okay. Argument is R cos theta. So mode of e to the power I z equals R minus R sin theta and argument of e to the power I z. Theta R cos theta. Okay. some basic questions. One simple edit. If alpha comma beta are roots of, if alpha comma beta are roots of x square minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. If alpha comma beta are roots of this, then find alpha to the power n plus beta to the power n. So first you find the roots, alpha, beta. After that, write them in polar form because they will be complex roots. Alpha and beta are complex roots. Write them in polar form, then simplify. Okay, I am disconnecting because I have other class. Okay.
Okay, sir. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, Allah Hafiz. Achha, from tomorrow onwards, please be in time.
Yes. Sir. Okay, sir.
Today also many people have joined late.